How to change default text style on Gmail PC. Hello guys, so on this video I'm going to show you how to change the default text style on your Gmail PC, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Just go to Gmail. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top and click on the settings option. Now after you click on settings, go down and click on see all settings. Now as you can see, what you have to do is go down again until you find default text style. Now right here you can choose any text you want. You can change the size and the color, and also you can add this or not. Very easy and fast, as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end.